Does confidence ever feel like an impossible goal? Like a mountain that's just too steep to climb? But here is what I've learned. You don't have to take gigant leaps. Confidence is built slowly, one small step at a time. I used to think I had to be the most talented person in the room to make a progress. But one day, I realized that it wasn't about talent. It was about perseverance. I told myself, just focus, keep going, and take small steps every day. And with that mindset, I started to see the results. My first steps towards confidence were small but meaningful. I begin by sending motivational messages to my friends, just little notes of encouragement. At the time, I didn't even think of it as confidence building. But those small actions helped me find my voice. Then I recorded my first video. And let me tell you, I was terrified. I didn't share it publicly at first. Instead, I shared it with a close friend to get feedback. That one tiny action, as scary as it was, led to another. And before I knew it, I was sharing my journey with more people. Confidence doesn't come overnight. It's something you build brick by brick. Every small action adds up, even if it doesn't feel like much at the time. The important thing is to start, no matter how small. I started celebrating those little victories. Things like pressing record for the first time or sending that one message. These small wins reminded me that I was moving forward, even if the step felt tiny. It is not about being the best or the most talented. It is about showing up consistently. Extraordinary perseverance can take you further than talent alone. Just keep going. So today, I want to encourage you, take one small step towards your goal. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be forward. What's one thing you can do today to move closer to where you want to be? Share it with me in the comments. I would love to hear your story. The journey to confidence starts with small steps. In the next episode, I will share how I begin to handle setbacks and stay consistent. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notification.